Welcome into the live stream show. Today we are doing live stream trading. Todd's coming in. I'm just doing some analysis, so I'll show you my opening strategy, the analysis that I'm doing, and when Todd gets in here, we'll start taking trades. All right. So this is the Day Trader Dudes. This is the show. I will show the everything that we're doing tonight. We're doing actually pretty good. This is all just kind of new. I trade during the day on my other channel, Music City Trader. And today I did pretty well. And, I had a huge amount of profit over the last 3 or 4 months. And then I had a big drawdown in October because I was being retarded. And, now I'm back up, kind of climbing myself back up out of my goofiness. And I'm not sure why this looks like this. But what I did today was I had a win, a loss, and a win. That was it. So my trading profit for the week is $436. And then we're on Todd's channel. What we're doing here, hey man, what's up? Is
You're already live.
We're already live, man. We're already live. So I was just doing
pizza for my kids. So
You're ordering a pizza?
So nobody say
Okay.
my credit card number out loud, please. We are live.
We are
on
live. I can mute you. Why don't I just mute you? Here, let's mute you. I'm gonna mute you, and when you're done, wave your hands. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna set this up so that we can have some fun. But here's what happens. We're trading with a $2,000 account. We're trading at a 6 deep martingale, a full 2.25 martingale, just like the old school days of trading. I personally hate the martingale. I think it's completely ridiculous. And but Todd is convinced that we can do it. So we're on a 6 deep martingale, but we're only ever going 5. So if we ever get to that 5th trade, then we can do a 6th trade. No, we cannot do a 6th trade. That would blow the whole account. So on a $2,000 account, if we ever get down to where we are on our 5th trade and we take our 5th trade and we lose it, we'll be down $895, which leaves us still about $1,200 or $1,100 in our account to recover. And our recovery will look a lot like how I trade on Music City Trader. So we're kind of doing this both the way that I do it and the way that Todd does it. We're kind of putting them together, the trading methods together. So we will not blow our account, which the last couple years we were doing martingales. We would do it all in one night, and then we could blow our account in one night, and it would just be one random night. After like 30 days, we would blow our account. So we've kind of put this slow grow safety net in place. And what it is we're just not going to take trades. We're not going to take that final trade. And we have really evolved as traders, really, into the point where we could make our money back. If we lose 45% of our account, then we could take our time and roll back through more aggressive strategy to get it back. So we're just gonna do that. Now, last night, I believe we had a win. Okay, yeah, we had a win last night, and then I think we had a loss. So that's all we did. We had a win and a loss, and this was 10:22. I guess I didn't write it down last night. Okay, so this is Thursday night. Okay, and we're gonna go in here at 8:30. Wow, it's pretty early tonight. 10:23. So I like to take a lot of notes. Our first trade tonight will be in a martingale. So if I go over here to my sheet, it'll show me that my first trade will be a 44.44. Okay, 44.44. I believe I should probably put these all on one sheet because it's getting kind of hard to switch back and forth. So we're going to be trading at 44.44, I believe, is our martingale. That's our first trade tonight. So I really think I'm going to fix this sheet to get this all over here, to get this starting trade martingale over here. I'm going to put it over here just in case I want to look at it right here. Boink. All right. So basically it will show us what we need to do. If I type in, my starting trade, it'll show us our martingale. So we did a 1975, we lost it. So now we're at 44.44. Okay. So as you can tell, you could lose. So if I change it to 25, see, it changes all the numbers. So it'll change all the numbers. Okay, Todd's back. Let's get him in here. All right, he's back. So
6283. That's the card number. Security code. No,
what is wrong?
I'm making up numbers. I just wanted to sound like my daughter's ordering a pizza right next to me.
No, I wanted to see if I can get you. I can't really do that. I can't get you on one side and me on the other. I guess I can do it like that.
You're picking it up. They don't get no damn. Do you believe in giving tips to people when you're going in to pick it up? If you order a pizza online, do you put a tip on there when you're going in the store to pick it up?
I don't. Usually not.
No, heck no. It's like, dude, you're not even bringing it to my house. If you're bringing it to me, whatever. But you're not even bringing it out to my car. I'm going in to get it. You don't get no damn tip. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, you went over the chart with everybody. Explained what we're.
So your trade is 44.44 tonight.
44.44. Okay, because I don't think I put it in last night.
No, because we were at 1975, I think, last night. Yeah, 1975. We lost it.
But we're gonna win. We're gonna kick butt tonight. So 40.
Well, I'm really happy that we actually won what we were on, like a third trade or something. I don't know.
What?
And I'm really glad we switched this, because now every single trade we win is a win. It doesn't matter if we lose a few. Every time we win one, it's a net win, and we're going for a certain amount of net wins. And I kind of made the screen a little bigger tonight, and I'm gonna hide the dock. I need to make like a hot setting that I can hide my dock, because I don't like it showing up down there at the bottom. So auto make a hide and show.
Dang, that's like our turnaround right there. Like we're
where right here?
On odds CHF. Yep, there goes. Well, will there be another candle, or is it going to crap out right? Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm in 10 seconds. Ignore me. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
1 minute.
Well, it is kind of at a line, and it is turning around pretty big. But we wouldn't have known that. So last night we did some pretty good trading. Let's. I'm going to try to mark something out. I'm going to just try to look around here. And whoa. Okay.
Hold on. Hold on. Here.
You got it.
Guys, I'm busy.
It's a little bit early for Todd. He likes to eat dinner.
I eat dinner. It's 9:30 where I am. And everybody, what?
I'm about ready to go to bed, dude. I mean, I'm literally going to go to bed like in like 10 minutes or something. But that's just how I go to bed early. But we're back on. Let's roll this. We're gonna make this. I've explained the whole thing. Everything's explained pretty good. Let's roll the intro. Here we go. Yeah. Are we the only live day trading show? Should I be on your other side? Should I be on this side of you? Yeah.
Well, let me look.
I can't remember.
Yeah, I guess that's right. That's right there. That's right.
Like I look all bright and shiny and happy, and you look like a creepy weirdo. Oh wait.
Well, I can turn on my other lights. I just have it low lit in here,
that's
but
right. Nobody cares what you look like.
Nobody cares, and I like sitting in the kind of in the dim.
Dang.
light.
Oh, dude, look at Euro. Look at Euro GBP right now. That's a massive line it's going down to. It kind of went down there once already. We got
Euro
44.
GBP.
It's kind of at a.
Oh yeah. Are we gonna get another? It's kind of at a line right now, though.
Well, it's at it's at a minor line right now, but it's also. I think it's going to keep going.
But there's been a lot of red. I get nervous when there's already been 5 red candles.
No, yeah, I'm looking at that bottom black line. I'm really more looking like down here, or even one more below it. And actually, you know what? If this breaks this, we could probably take a next candle put, because this line it's at right now is kind of a line. Yeah, it's a line right there. It's pretty good size line.
But do you think there's 1, 2?
But there's a line below it, and there's another line below it. Like, so let me think about this in the overall picture. Does this look like it's going down?
Well, like I said, my reservation is just that there's already been 4 straight red candles. So you
No,
know,
I'm saying when it breaks this, if it breaks that bottom, you know how that green candle's down there, it if it's heading down, it'll retract here. This is its pullback. But
yeah.
let's say, is it going to
Well,
keep
if
going
it
down?
keeps going, then yeah, I would wait for the, for one candle to confirm. Okay, it's going back down, and then
Yeah, because it's got two nice levels down there that it could go to. I think I'm just going to put an alert on this one, and I'm going to say that if it goes back down to that line and it breaks it, then we could probably take a next candle color down to this line, because I'm making my assumptions right now. I think I want to make assumptions tonight. I don't want to just bounce all over the place and just like, look at this one, look at that one, look at this one. I want to kind of like, okay, this chart, if it is going to go down, if it breaks through that, it's kind of in a downtrend. This chart is kind of in a downtrend.
Well,
my assumption.
It is, and then it's gone up a little bit and kind of stabilized in an area.
It's kind of consolidating and turning around here, but overall it's been in a big downtrend.
It was, a while ago.
So I'm going to keep that one on the radar. Let's find some other good spot. Whoa. Okay.
What?
NZDJPY just crushed through here. Oh man, we missed that one. But crap, we missed it hardcore.
What's the payout on that?
92. Man, we missed that one. That one broke down and pushed through.
Oh, it is. Okay.
And that would have been a great.
Well, okay. I see that, but it's gonna pull back and go up at some point, and when it does, but how much further is it gonna go? It is just going down. Yeah. Okay, if you scroll way back, it's about to hit the top of a lonesome candle wick way back in the distance. Do you see that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm in the 10-minute view, so I mean this in the 1 minute. You mean?
Yeah. Look way back.
Okay. Yeah, just one little wick right there. That's yeah. There's a level right there for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's got a wick and it's got a level, but I just think this is too much noise. That is nice though. I mean, it could pull back from here. Yeah. No, you're right, dude. If it bounces off this and
when it does pull back, it's been pretty consistently giving at least two candles.
Yeah, that's true. This is a level that it's sitting right now on that candle wick, and now if it
decides to go up.
Yeah. Okay. So it really did reject off that line that you just found.
Right.
Okay. So if to me, I'm not sure. This one feels.
Now, if it breaks through it, then it breaks through it. But as of now, it's hitting it and it's hot stoving it. It's like, ow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I just don't believe it yet. It'd have to confirm. It isn't.
Oh, no, for sure. Yeah.
So like, if it turns around from here, we could get two candles off of this one. Or if it breaks through, then we know. We don't know much if it breaks through because the next level
it may not go very far. Yeah,
the next level's not that far away. It's kind of a mess.
It gets kind of sketchy once it gets past there.
Yeah, if it breaks through, then we'll just let it go because I'm not sure where it's going. But if it turns around from here, yeah, I mean, totally, dude. Yeah, look at it; it's wicking off. I mean, if this turns green, you could probably.
But I do think if you get a green candle here, then I do think you could probably take another, because I think it'd probably give off at least two green candles from there.
Yeah, there's your green candle right
there.
Be
my guess.
Yeah, if it especially engulfs here, this is a good.
All right, you want to take the next one, or you want to wait until
if it ends green? Take it. I mean, if it ends green, it'd be yeah, take it. It's there.
All right, we're gonna see what happens here.
I mean, we're looking for the next candle color.
Let's hope it doesn't consolidate, but because
no, it can go down. It can hit down there. That's fine. See, it's hot stoving off that bottom.
Yeah, I'm looking at it in 10 seconds now.
It's
it's kind of stuck there, but
that's okay. It's kind of got like an upward. It's got to move 30 seconds.
Yeah, it's got to move up and it's moving down.
Dang it, my mama. Come on now. Hold on. Oh, it is. Oh, it's at that final bottom level now. Now, if it just shot up and won, it'd be a miracle, wouldn't it? 20 seconds. Man,
yeah, it's pushing down even more.
There,
wait.
Whoa.
Come on.
12 seconds. Here we go. This could be your That was kind of an engulfing
We got
candle.
12 seconds.
5
we might win
seconds.
this, bro.
5,
we might-
4, 3, 2.
Oh.
Come on, son of a gun! Dang it!
Dang
Dang
it.
it! Dang
so
it! For
close.
freaking dang it! Dang it, dude!
That was freaking close. How did we lose that? Dang it, that was so close.
Look at it. Look at that stupid thing.
Yeah, I mean,
Look at that, dude. That was, I mean, we called it. Look at it. It's just
Yeah.
going up. It had one more, I mean, it traced that one more time. That just makes me so freaking mad. That's why we can only
Now,
take
mute
one
real
trade a
quick.
night.
mute me real quick. I have to answer this.
Huh?
Hello?
What?
Mute me real quick.
All right, you're muted. All right, so that's how it goes. Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that turnaround. That was a perfect level, perfect drop, perfect turnaround, and we lost it. Which makes me so mad because that just, I mean, that was the right, it was kind of a confirmation. Let's imagine we took this, we waited for that candle, which we wouldn't take a trade this high. This is too high. This is way burned. But it wasn't a total engulfing candle, but it wicked off the bottom of a really strong level. And all we needed was 1 minute of pullback, but what it did was just barely tap that line again. It's so funny because this giant green candle is something I wouldn't want to trade on, but are you done talking on the phone now?
I'm off the phone, but
Okay, look at this. This would have been a win, dude. Look at this. Almost.
1 minute here.
Boom. Yeah, that would have been a win. Even at the top of that giant green candle, that would have been a win. Because that next candle was a green one too. That was so close, dude. That's why we can't. That's why I think our strategy is going to hold up, because in this environment, I get so like freaking tense and so mad when we lose those little tiny positions that like I would just want to, you know, like revenge it back and get it, and that's when, you know, you just kind of keep losing.
Yeah.
But that was like that should have been a win, dude. That should have been a win. There's just barely lost by just a second. Just barely lost.
Mm-hmm.
That makes me so, like, why does it make me so mad? Why does it make me so, that's the problem, dude. That's the problem with binary options and not having a stop gap or stop loss or like a safety net, because you can just get so, you know, tunnel visioned, you know?
Yeah. But do I regret taking that? No. I mean, it was the perfect setup. It did what we thought it would do, but you know, it's like we say,
We were off by what, like 10 seconds? I mean,
yeah, by like just a second or two, maybe not even 10 seconds.
Yeah, it was like 5 seconds later, it just shot up.
What candle? Okay, which candle? Point to the candle that was our closed out candle. Which candle were we on?
We entered right here.
Okay,
right,
so that red one. Okay,
that little red candle. And as soon as that candle ended, it shot up. I mean, it was like as soon as it ended red, it just shot up. Dude.
It kind of just struggled there. It just kind of had a relapse. Like, oh, I'm gonna try to go down again.
Yeah.
And then there's like, nope, we're going up. Yeah.
And went up hard.
Yeah.
It hit a really strong line. It, you know, the only thing I could think of. No, I mean, this was I would have thought this was a perfect level. It was big, long 10-minute candles down to a nice level, strong level. Obviously, it's obeyed that level pretty well. It just, you know, that's the thing with our strategy, dude, is we're going to win and lose some of these just by chance, but you know, overall, I think we're going to win. I know we're going to win. It's like every night we're going to do the same exact thing and we're going to win.
Yep.
So tomorrow night when we win a trade, we're getting all that back plus a win. So we'll
plus and a bigger profit because it's deeper into the market. At 2.25, you actually make way more money the deeper you go.
Yeah, because you don't even need that deep of a martingale. We could be trading it like
It actually kind of helps you though to recover time because if you've lost 2 days of losses, when you get it back plus your win, you're not just getting one win, you're getting a percentage. So over time, as that happens over months, you're actually you're actually canceling out a few days of loss too.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Now it's going to break.
Now it's going to push down.
Let's see if this next candle color would be I'm going to go to 1 minute. Would this be, if we entered?
If you entered here, would you win a?
Because this is kind of another strategy we would use. We would think, okay, it broke that line.
Right.
We don't know how angry the charts are. We don't know if it's going to, retract. It looks like an RSI break is going to happen here.
Because I've seen these do that, and then they just set up another line of consolidation.
Yeah, they just bounce back up. So I'm going to take a $1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bunko. So, I mean, that's kind of the problem with some of these charts is like, it broke through there, but this chart's kind of going back and forth in this area. So this chart does have steady movement though, right? This has steady enough movement. It's not like this chart isn't moving. It's moving fairly steadily. It's not got a bunch of wicks everywhere. It's not jumping all over the place. But it is, maybe it's moving a little slow or maybe it's moving a little delayed. I don't know. This worries me because it's like it's not. But this would be another one of those next candle color trades we would take. We would take it after it broke. But now it's retesting.
Yeah, and that's what I was saying. Sometimes it does exactly that right there.
Yeah.
Not every breakthrough means that it's just going to keep going.
Yeah, so I'm going to push this down. It's interesting. I can hear myself now. Did your cable mess up or something?
No, I haven't touched it.
You didn't?
No, not that I know of.
Oh, man. Well, I guess we'll pick it up tomorrow night. Tomorrow night's, was it Friday? Are you doing your haunt?
No, not on Friday. I'm going to go to Land of Illusion at some point, but if we do it this time, it'll probably be fine.
That's wild, dude.
Who is?
You are. You know what the funny thing is, dude? I we don't have to stay on here all night, but I was watching Christian trade on a YouTube video the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Like yesterday. And dude, he's not even like trying to like even dude, his trading strategy is so like he had 9 trades or something. He was like at a level down like this, and he had like trades going. I mean, he had like 10 of them going, like just all across the screen. And it turned around, and he won like 7 or 8 of them, but he lost 2. And dude, but he's just stacking up his money on certain positions, just waiting for it to turn around. And if it doesn't,
that's nuts.
He just keeps hitting the button over and over again, dude. It's insane.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know that that's a good way to trade.
Well, I mean, okay, so I was thinking it was going back down. I lost one, I lost another one, and I won the third one. So, but he doesn't even wait for new candles. He just keeps, every time the candle jumps up, he just takes 1 or 2 or 3 more, and then it jumps up again. He takes 4 or 5 more, and he just keeps stacking them up, waiting for the candle to turn around. And I guess in theory, that kind of works for him, I guess, because he's got so much money, he can just keep hitting the button. But I mean, you can blow out a lot of money, dude, doing that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, I mean, in our strategy, this was a loss. So tomorrow we'll be on a 99.98.
99.98.
1024. It's kind of making me nervous, you know.
Well, we still have 3 more days of loss. I mean, like before we would even be in any kind of recovery type mode.
Right. Yeah.
We would have to lose another 3 days in a row. I mean,
oh, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we'd have to lose 3.
we have to lose tomorrow, the next day, and the next day, or whenever we trade, next. What's the amount again? I'm putting it
99.98. So our win rate has been pretty garbage.
I was just about to say that, like we've kind
29%, dude. We've taken 7 trades. We've won 2 of them.
Yeah.
Like, is that good? No, that's not good.
No, I don't know why our win rate has been so terrible, but at the same time, there's bound to be nights eventually where we start winning, 3-4 trades in a row. I mean, because I can do that on my own. I mean, I'm not trading differently here than I really would trade on my own.
Right.
So I think we've just, for whatever reason, have been off to a rocky start kind of, but at the same time, we've also been safe. I mean, not allowing yourself to get carried away and,
I don't know why it thinks we've done 1, we've done 2, 1. Oh, that's a loss? Wait. Oh, crap. Oh, this was supposed to be, what was this, a 1975? Okay. And it was a loss. Okay. There we go.
So this chart is still just going down and then pulls back a couple of candles and then yeah, I mean it's still
yeah, it hasn't made like a big move yet, has it?
No.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know, man. I'm not too worried about it. I think as the live show's gonna be good. And in terms of like
I mean, now watch this. Here's what's about to happen. I'm gonna tell you
what are you at?
On NZD JPY, same chart.
Okay.
At the end of this candle, it's going to go the next candle after this one. This will end red. The next candle is going to be green. I'm positive. Watch what's about to happen. Yeah, this is going to close out red.
All right, I'm buying it for $1.
Okay.
Just because you said that.
This one's going to go green.
But why?
Probability.
It's not even.
Well,
I mean,
probability. Look, there's been 5 red candles. And so if you look back in this chart, there were 5 red candles earlier, and then it was a green candle.
6. There's been 6 red candles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Oh, that's in 30 seconds. Sorry. Okay, so 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles.
Yeah, in fact, we took the trade we lost on was after 5 red candles, then there was a green, and then there was one more red after that green.
It was kind of messed up, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was 7 red candles, 2 green, and then
but
5.
See, I would be real hesitant though.
But you won this. This is a win.
Yeah.
Right? Almost. Yeah.
Yep.
Total win, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, you just think because it got down there and it got smaller, the candles are getting smaller and it wicked, and then you think
it just looks very similar to what happened just a few minutes ago. But then this is the can. Okay, so we entered
at the top of the screen.
The candle that's on right now is the one we would have taken.
Yeah.
Because it turned around, there was the confirmation candle. And that's why I say sometimes all you get is one pullback candle. Sometimes that's it. So
unfortunately, we can never know where the bottom is. You're just guessing. So I still think we should trade off confirmation. I still think we should wait for an engulfing or.
Well, yeah, you're planning on there being two of the same color in a row. That's better. That's probably a better.
So this one would have
Probability.
won. This one would have won too, but it didn't have like a bottom. But I mean, it did have like an RSI break. We kind of guessed on. Well, no, this would have been the candle. We would have seen that green candle, that first green one. Then we would have entered and we would have won. Yeah. That would have been a pullback candle. This green candle would have given us all. Okay, it stepped down and it popped back up. Yeah. So this would have won too. So, dude, I think our strategy is really strong, and I don't think we're gonna lose every night because we're going to find, every once in a while you're going to find it where there's only one candle or whatever. But I mean, a lot of times when you take like this one here, hit a line, green candle, another green candle, it's going to hit a line. It's going to bounce up a little bit.
This has been going down for so long that it's really just due to go up, start going back up in general. Like, but then look way back there. Holy crap. Look how many green candles there were. Do you see way back in the distance? Oh, I think you passed it. Right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah, right there. Look at that, dude. Look at that. There's one red candle.
Yeah.
So if we found a stair step like that, okay, and we just said, first trade, boom, win, okay, take the next one, and we did that a while back. Remember, we just
that's how we won. Look at this red. I mean, dude, here, this red candle. This was a massive turnaround.
Just keep putting until you lose. I mean, you could get like 7 wins. You would have gotten how many wins out of that?
Out of this one, I mean,
well, let's say
like
you
here. Let's say if we entered on this one, we would have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we would have lost on the 10th trade.
And I would have said, okay, call it a night.
Off a turnaround. We could have done that off a turnaround. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
And we could, and that is our plan. If we find a big turnaround like that, we were planning on just entering
until you lose. Yeah.
Yeah. And I mean, you could just enter the same amount, if you're doing like a 19, you would have to reset our trade.
You'd have to give me the next number real quick so that I could.
Yeah, but like after that, we just entered the same amount each time. Even this one, you could have won this one and this one. You could have won 2 in a row before you lost one.
Yeah.
But I mean, at some point, it's going to lose. But yeah, I think.
Oh yeah, at some point it will. But I mean, until then.
Yeah, I think we're fine. We're back on a third trade, so. Yeah. A third trade is fine. I mean,
yeah, because you get 5 full trades before you're in panic mode,
Oh, I'd be in real panic mode because I'd be down like $800.
Well, you don't have the money in your account to go into recovery mode, do you?
Not really, but I mean, I have $1,400 now. I'm getting up there because I won a $100 trade yesterday. I won a $100 trade today. By the end of this week, I should be back at 2,000. So I will have recovery mode money by Monday. So my plan is
we're not going to need it.
I'm going to trade up. Like I'm going to trade tomorrow. So if I win a few trades tomorrow, we're at 1,400 now, or I'm at 1,400. So if I win like 1 or 2 trades tomorrow, I'll be at 16. And then over the weekend, I'm going to pad my account back up. I'm going to put like $300 or $400 back in. I'm going to get it to 2,000 by the time I get to Monday. And then I'm just going to start making $200 trades next week. So if I'm just going to keep doing that. That's how I built my last account up to like 10 grand.
Yeah.
Every week I just went another 1,000 up. And if I was short, I just put money in there. If it's like $200 or $300 short, I just put it in there. Started again the next week with $200. Then the next week I'll start with $300 trades, and then the next week I'll start with $400 or $500 trades, and then by then you're pretty much getting a couple $1,000 a week. And then hopefully I'll be back up to like 10 grand. But I've been very safe this week. I've taken 3 trades a day. That's it. Like I've taken my 3 trades and that's it. Like I'm turning it off. There's no expectation of making it up or over trading. I was trading some days like 5, 10, 15, 20 trades. Mm-hmm. And I mean, I'm taking my 3 positions, and if they win or lose, that's it.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
So that's here's I think I missed the best session there was. No. We lost a trade. We lost 1 trade. I mean, it was pretty crappy. Yeah.
Yeah. Who is that?
Yogi 6218.
I I think I missed
Yo
the best
Yojui.
session there was.
Yeah, that was a pretty good session. I mean,
It wasn't good to us because we
lost a
lost
single
but,
trade. I mean, we didn't do much. You didn't miss that much, trust me.
yeah.
But we've been going at it. Every night. We'll go at it again tomorrow night. And I mean, what have we gotten? 2 wins so far, or 3? I can't remember. I mean,
because we spun our wheels so much by leaving one on the table until we went to a 6 deep, I think we've had 2 or 3 wins since then.
Two solid wins. 2 wins.
Yeah,
that's right.
Okay, 2 wins.
I mean, I'd like to, dude. We need to get to we're trying to get to honestly, we're trying to get to 186 wins.
Mm-hmm.
So it feels like a long way away. But
but there will be night. Yeah, we've been off to a rocky start, but I mean, if we win tomorrow, we might get 3 wins in a row. You never know.
Yeah, we need to start winning 3 or 4 trades a night. I mean, not need to. I mean, as long as we stay safe, that's really all I care about. So if we just climb our way up to 100, 150 wins over the next 3 or 4 months safely, because safety is the only thing that matters, dude. If we cheat our way up there, then we will definitely lose.
Yeah.
Because one night we'll try to cheat it out and we'll lose, and that's all it takes. It takes one single night to lose everything. So we have to stay calm and cool. That's why I think we've evolved. We got to stay calm because pretty soon we'll be making $100 trades. And when we do that, if we win 3 or 4 a week, we're making $300 or $400 a week. That's what, $1,200 a month. It's just going to keep compounding. Once we get up to a couple hundred wins,
dude. Tonight I went and twisted balloons for 3 hours, 2 hours, and got a $300 paycheck. So just at a trunk or treat.
So if we can trade at $100 trades and win 2 or 3 trades a night in 30 minutes, dude, we got to keep perspective because we're in the slow burn at this point. We've been doing this so long, dude, it doesn't matter how long it takes. If we just stay with the plan, then I think our money is safe, and that's all I care about. We get up there,
right?
Once we get it grows so fast that once we get to 365 wins, we're at $500 trades. I mean, your account, also our trading balance is at 50 grand.
Right.
That's insane. That's a lot to be making $500 trades. What is that, 1%?
Yeah.
Well, I know why, because we're in martingale, because that's why.
Right.
Because we're martingaling them. Which at that point, dude, I don't even know if you don't need to martingale. If you have 50 grand in your account, you're making $500 trades, you do not need to martingale.
With our win rate, yeah, we better.
Well, our win rate is terrible.
But I would also be in favor of adding an extra level of security at that point and say dropping back a few, several levels in the plan. So
I mean, if you had that much money, you just wouldn't need to make that many. You wouldn't need to risk all that money. I mean, you could just pay ourselves.
I would be happy if I could come out with $4 grand a week in profit. I'd be fine. I'm not greedy. I mean, I can live on 10,000 a month, 10,000 a week. I'm not
dude,
I'm not greedy. 50 grand a month is fine for me.
50 grand a month is fine. I don't know, man. I think there's something to this thing. Once you get that much money, the strategy could change because you could just make. I don't know the way. We'll
let me
see.
ask you this: have you ever made dollar trades with $100 in your account and you're making dollar trades?
Yeah.
Okay, it feels invincible because you're making dollar trades with $100 in your account. Okay. Now put that into perspective. If you're making, I mean, that's still.
If we're making $500 trades and we got 50 grand, I mean, as long as we take it slow,
making dollar trades with $100 in my account, I've blown it. I mean, it's doable. It's just doable.
Well, that's true. That's true. You can definitely blow it because martingaling can blow you up really easily.
Yeah, that was sarcasm. You'll get yes, greedy. I'll be happy with 1,000.
Yeah,
okay, I have 6 kids, and a wife and 2 grandkids, and that I take care of.
He's talking like he wants to make all this money.
I was just so I need a little.
You're just
bit
messing
more
around. You just need, if we could pull $1,000 a week.
Let's put it this way: if I could live on. If I was making, say, $8,000 a month, I would be living very, very comfortable. I mean, So, I mean, that would be fine. I do okay,
You know what my goal is?
What's that?
Not lose all our money.
That's even a better goal, yes. As long as we're making something and not losing our money, then that's really
I mean, right now, once we win this Martingale trade, we'll be up like $50 or something.
Right.
Like if we win this next trade, okay, then we'll have $76 profit for the week, which isn't bad, you know. Yeah, you can afford more kids.
No, I think that ship has sailed. My youngest is turning 7 today. Actually, today's his 7th birthday, and or no, not today. On the 25th. So Saturday is his 7th birthday, and then my oldest is 25, or 24. So I don't need more kids. I've got. I'm a grandpa. I'm done.
You grandpa. Dude, it's fine. I think I would like to be at $100 trade level, and that's about where I think this plan would stop for me. I feel like it's too dangerous. Beyond that, I feel like I would just be like, you know, at $100 trade level, you've got 10 grand on the line.
Mm-hmm.
You know, once you get up to this 25, 30, 40, 50 grand, there's other strategies that we could use, in my opinion. But if we could get this strategy up to $100 trade level, and we could win 5, 6, 7 trades a week, even 8, you could make $1,000 a week at that level pretty easily. Right now, our trade, our win rate is crap, but like we just started this. I mean, we haven't traded together for like probably a year.
Right, it's been a while, so
we're just
and really it was just the other day when we, and after a loss too, I think that we finally said, okay, this is what we need to look for.
Yeah, we've kind of been causing ourselves trouble.
First, you were like, well, take a 3-minute trade. Let's go 4 minutes. 1 minute. We've been tossing around time frames. So I think when you stick to one particular thing, you're going to find you're going to get a win, on that.
It's probability. So you kind of have, in my opinion, you kind of have to stick to a certain thing because you're going to find a turnaround that does what you, especially because almost every turnaround does what we think.
You remember your dad's story about the lottery tickets and the people that always played at work in the lottery pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they played the same numbers for 20 years. And
hey, I'm live, bro.
And so these people played they would, take turns paying for it, but played the same numbers for 20 years. And the one week that they didn't play those same numbers, they won.
Though, that's what I'm saying. All right, tonight.
So if you change, the moral of the story is if you change up your strategy, it'll be that one time that you lose because you changed your strategy.
Yeah, it'll be the one turnaround that we would have won, and we say, well, let's not do a turnaround this time. We've done that too. We've switched around so many times before in same sessions where, we try a couple turnarounds, they don't work, and then the next time we try a breakthrough, and then it turns around, and it's like, crap. Yeah. It's like chasing. So we are literally going to stick with either breakthroughs or turnarounds. We're going to look for the confirmation candle, and we're going to just hope that it goes up one more after that. And if it doesn't, then we're just done. That's how it's going to be. And I don't feel that stressed about it. All right. I'll see you guys. See you guys tomorrow.